Time now for your market recap, brought to you by MyMoneyJA.com, the official data partner of Money Media. Get 10% off your subscription with the code MONEYMISSION. The JSE combined index lost 8,200 points last week. That's down about 2.5%. 124 stocks traded across the main and junior markets for the week ending Friday, June 13, 2025. 32 made gains, 73 lost value, and 19 stayed the same. 68 million shares changed hands on the Jamaican dollar market, valued at $542 million. TransJam was the week's most traded stock, with 12 million shares changing hands. It started the week at $3.66. Kingston Wharves traded the second most shares. It opened Monday at $31.96, and Wigton rounded out last week's most traded stocks. Now let's see who had the biggest gains. IronRock Insurance was the JSE's top stock, up 17% to open the week at $5. Margaritaville Turks had the second biggest gain, up 13%, and Paramount Trading rounded out the top stocks, up 11%. On the losing side now, R.A. Williams was the week's biggest loser. The stock lost 16% to start the new week at 42 cents. A.S. Bryden dipped 15% to close out the week at $25.35, and Consolidated Bakeries fell 14%. Over on the Trinidad and Tobago Stock Exchange, the composite index was mostly flat last week. CIBC Caribbean Bank was the TTSE's most traded stock. It opened Monday at $8.89 TT. The stock was also the market's top gainer, up 8%. And on the losing side, NCBFG fell 4% to open Monday at $1.90 TT. Over in the U.S., the Dow Jones was down 1% last week, while the S&P 500 dipped 0.5% and the Nasdaq was down about 1%. At the pumps, the cost of 87 gas was up 27 cents last week, while 90 was up 21 cents. On the other hand, diesel prices rose $3.06. In foreign exchange trading, the Jamaican dollar dipped back below the 160 mark. It took an average $159.87 Jamaican to purchase $1 last Friday. That's 47 cents less than the week before. One Canadian dollar cost an average 118 Jamaican dollars. One British pound cost $216.61 Jamaican, and you could buy €1 for $187.97 Jamaican on average. Finally, on the crypto markets, Bitcoin prices fell 1% over the past 5 days, trading at $107,673 on Monday. Meanwhile, Ethereum fell 5%, trading at $2,644 on Monday. Market Recap was brought to you by MyMoneyJA, the official data partner of Money Media.